My neighbor and fellow gardener had several trees taken down in her yard. Welcome to Crystal's Creations. I couldn't allow all these beautiful pieces of holly to go to waste, so once they were pruned at my neighbor's house, a project was in the making. I took out my weapons of choice, floral wire and shears, and began breaking down the large pieces into segments that could be used on an old wreath. After removing the faded ribbon, I began taking those segments of holly and fitting them into the wreath, securing them with floral wire. It took a little while to make it all the way around the wreath. This is about halfway. But with a little patience, I was able to make it all the way around the wreath, and I think it turned out great. I was able to get my very favorite assistant to hang the wreath on the front of the house, and it looks good. It inspired me to remake some of my other winter decorations with a natural motif. My biggest concern was how durable the wreath would be, but this is it after about 6 days, still looking good. And with that knowledge, I moved forward, making small decorations for all around the outside of my home. I am aware that holly berries are not an option for everyone, particularly if there are concerns about animals or small children ingesting the berries. However, if that's not a concern, they are an option for a free and really festive decoration for winter. I hope this gives you some ideas for decorating the outside of your home. Thank you for watching. See you next time.